Down Palmer with GoldStar ATM. We're going to go through how to load your printer paper into your GenMega G2500. So you're going to start with your printer paper facing downward like this, so that it comes out facing pointing towards the back of the ATM. And you can just take your spindle, place it into the center of the roll, and place it gently onto the printer slots. All right, and after you load the paper through the paper printer track, you make sure it's lined up correctly into the feeding area. And then you want to open up the paper door at the bottom. And on top of the rubber roller, you can go ahead and close the printer door. And at that point, after closing your ATM, you'll be set to print.